Let's start cloaking. Welcome to CashuCloak, where you can send stealth Bitcoin payments. Now, while cryptography protects the message, steganography protects the parties communicating. Now, the way it works is you embed your Bitcoin inside of an image, you cloak that image, send it to somebody, they uncloak it to receive their Bitcoin. Now, in the near future, we're hoping to hide Bitcoin payments within WhatsApp messages and other digital media. So now let's show you how it works. So first you wrap your Bitcoin inside of a Cashu token, then you select an image, and then that's where the cloaking process comes in, where we utilize steganography to invisibly embed tokens inside of an image. Now the image itself is going to look completely unchanged to the human eye, but we know that there's Bitcoin inside of there. And then you send that image to somebody, they uncloak it to receive their Bitcoin. Now let's show you a working example. So you have a couple options here. You can cloak an image, uncloak an image on the home page. You have your balance here at the bottom, which you can refresh, and then you have your wallet as well. So let's first cloak an image. So first we're going to cloak this image of pancakes, and then we'll select 5 sats to send. And there you go. Your Cashu token's been generated. Now, this has been cloaked inside of your image, so you don't have to copy this if you don't want to. So then you can just click OK. So now actually let's check our balance. It's been deducted from our balance. Perfect. So now let's uncloak the image. So as you can see, we actually make a copy of the image and then embed the Cashu token inside of there. We might change that in the future where we overwrite the actual image, but for now we work with a copy. So let's select our copy of the pancakes picture. Now let's uncloak the image. And there you go. Your Cashu token has been uncloaked, and now you can redeem your Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and select that. And there you go, your token's been received. So let's go ahead and update our balance. There it is. So 610 sats has been received. So now let's go ahead and actually go over to the wallet. So you can send and receive Lightning invoices as well here. So first let's go ahead and send. So let's go to my other app. So we'll select to receive here. So we'll do, there you go. And then the Lightning invoice has been generated, so we'll copy that. Then we'll go back to CashuCloak, paste that in there, and then we'll send the Bitcoin. And there you go, it's been paid. Update our balance, there you go. So it's been taken out, and let's see. Yes, you have received Bitcoin. Great. So now let's actually go ahead and take some of that Bitcoin back. So let's receive some. So we'll say 10. We'll select. And then we'll select receive Bitcoin. And there you go, your Lightning invoice has been generated. So we can go ahead and copy this over and then go back to our other app. Now we're going to send from here. So it really doesn't matter what number you put in here because the invoice has already been generated. Then we select next, and then we confirm and pay. And there you go, your Bitcoin's been sent, but let's check in our app. Let's update our balance, and this will take 1 second, so we'll wait. And there you go, payments received and tokens have been claimed. Let's update our balance here. There you go, back up to 608. So that's perfect, it works perfectly, and you can send between apps. You can also embed your Bitcoin inside of a Cashu token, which you can cloak inside an image and then uncloak, so it works very well here. Appreciate you guys utilizing this app and listening to our presentation. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Some of the balances might have seemed slightly off, but you have to keep in mind that there is a network fee that you do have to pay. So anyways, appreciate your guys' time, and please contribute to CashuCloak. This is an open source project. Thank you so much.